What is agriculture revolution? Sudden changes in agriculture due to invention and new technological implementation. Green revolution is associated with food production. White revolution is associated with milk production. Blue revolution is associated with fish production. Red revolution is associated with meat production. Badami revolution is associated with masala production. Dusar revolution is associated with cement production. Brown revolution is associated with fertilizer production. Yellow revolution is associated with oilseed production. Goldfish revolution is associated with fruit production. Black revolution is associated with coal production. Gale revolution is associated with potato production. Rose revolution is associated with lobster production. Honeydew revolution is associated with river. Golden revolution is associated with banana mango production. Golden fiber revolution is associated with jute production. Silver fiber revolution is associated with cotton production. Pink revolution is associated with onion drugs production. Who first used term green revolution? William Gord. Who is father of green revolution? Norman Borlaug. Who is father of green revolution in India? M.S. Swaminathan. Who is father of red revolution in India? Vishal Tiwari. Who is father of white revolution in India? Verghese Kurian. Who is father of pink revolution in India? Durgesh Patel. Who is father of golden revolution in India? Nirpok Tutej. Who is father of silver revolution in India? Indira Gandhi. Who is father of yellow revolution in India? Sam Pitroda. Who is father of brown revolution in India? Hiralal Chaudhary. Who is father of blue revolution in India? Arjun Krishnan.